In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your weather stripping around your door on your Ford E-350 Super Duty. All right, so you're going to need a Phillips head screwdriver, and you're going to take out these two screws, and there's another screw in the front of the front seat. So these two are in the back. I'd say if you're sitting in the seat, it would be on your left behind the seat. Use your Phillips head screwdriver, and you're going to unscrew both screws. And I'm going to set those off to the side while I do the front one. All right, so here we are in the front of the seat. And we're going to use our Phillips head screwdriver to undo this screw as well. All right, once you're done doing that, you can take out this plastic. Set it off to the side. All right, so now we're just going to grab it here and peel it off. So I am going to have you notice that, so in the middle here is where on the new one it's going to fit along this edge. So it should just come off pretty easily. All right, so I would just clean up the edge here, make sure there's not a lot of dirt. All right, so this side goes towards the seat and this side goes towards the door. So you're gonna put the metal pad right here. All right, so I'm gonna start in the middle on the bottom because that's where the seam was for the other weather stripping. And I'm just gonna push it in and work my way up and around. So make sure you're pushing in as you go. And it should just click in. Make sure you get those corners really well and you're pushing up on them. You want it to sit right. All right, so once you reach this point, what you're going to do is insert this piece into this piece. And then you can push down. Make sure it's seated well. Make sure the lip of the weather stripping is on top of the plastic of the interior. All right, so now that you have the weather stripping in, you can insert your little step here. So from this side, you're gonna insert that behind. So once you slide it on this side of the seat belt, you're going to line it up. Make sure the front is lined up with the screw that you took out. And once you get this lined up, you can get your screws ready. All right, so now we can feed our screws through. Use your Phillips head screwdriver. You can tighten those down. And now we can move to the front. All right, so now I'm going to go for this front screw. Feel free to move the seat forward and back in order to get to these screws. And just snug them up. All right, now that everything's back, you're going to want to test the door to make sure it opens and shuts without binding anywhere. Ours is looking good. Now you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.